Hello, I have a temu haul and I have Victor to help me. He's distracted. There he is. There he is. And Mr. Retros.
Hola.
Hola. This was an affiliate haul, so it didn't cost me anything. They paid for it, which was nice. And I just got these cheapy nails that you glue on. I'm taking a break from them and I'm using this hollow taco instead for now. So these look okay. They're the short ones. They're kind of Halloween-y. Halloween's almost over. Or it'll probably be over by the time I post this. So, I don't know. I guess I can wear them anytime. And when I got this, is a radio. Not a radio. A clock for the bedroom. Oops. At the beach. This. And it, I gotta be sure to save the instructions. Because they're like, let me plug it in. I like it. The only reason I got it is because I have one. I can't show with my phone. I'm using my phone. You lay your phone on here. I don't know if you can see it, but you lay it right here and it'll charge your phone. It's a phone charger. Let me plug this in. There it is. All right, let's see. There. So that's kind of nice. And it's got a light. This bottom lights up in case you need it, you know. Sort of snazzy. I guess I'll figure out how to set the time. But the only bad thing is, and I didn't realize it when I ordered it, is you can't change this to Fahrenheit. It's Celsius, and I'm just not going to do that. I'm just not going to do that. So that's okay.
That's pretty cool.
Because I just use it at the beach. I just mainly want it for the phone charging.
And the time.
And the time, yeah. So, and it looks nice.
I like it.
Yeah, it looks nice. It's kind of modern. How do I turn this light off? Or is it? Oh my gosh, here it is. There's the light for the base. But it's kind of nice, and I don't remember what they retail for, $10 or something. The one I have that I got is a one you get from Amazon, and it's got a thing where the phone stands up, and this got this down on the bottom, which I really like. I keep that one here at the house, and it has temperature on it in Fahrenheit. Meh. So slightly disappointing, but I'll use it. I still use it down there. I can maybe figure out.
Yeah. Maybe bother to figure out that.
Or not. Probably
There's
not.
Probably a simple.
Probably
figure
not.
number,
I don't know. Phooey. So I better keep this down there with me. And it's got a USB plug type pluggy thing. But they don't include this part.
Yeah. Right.
I'm surprised they didn't give me a cord this long. It's just like I'd be so furious. Oh no, you didn't. This is all this. Oh. And then I ordered a fake faux Rolex called a Podagodaga of top brand luxury. You know, the clocks that I've ordered from Temu have a sweep second hand. That's how you can tell if it's a real Rolex, the second hand sweeps, or a Rolex, or a good Bodegar. Bodegar does not sweep. But you know, my Nelson clock that I bought, and another little that little cheapy clock I have in the bathroom at the beach has a sweep second hand. I wish they would have done it with their watches.
Boy, pretty small.
It's for me.
Oh, okay.
I could get a bigger one. see, is it going? Is it going? Yeah, it's going. I have to figure out how to set the date and everything.
Oh, that'll be fun.
Yeah, it's got these nice instructions, I think. Yeah. Here's the instructions right here. Louie. Stink pots. Is this it? Oh, gosh. Now, this comes with this. These guys. But it looks kind of
Maybe
nice.
it's just classic.
I guess. I'll have you fiddle with it. But I like it because it's big and I can just slip it on. Because I like to wear a really large watch because I don't like anything tight around my hand. So I can wear it with my other stuff. You know. I have a hard time keeping a watch running because I have that magnetism thing. Oh, I got it backwards. I guess it would be like this. Yeah, beautimous. It's got some plastic stuff here. Yeah, so we'll figure out how to set the date, maybe. It was kind of nice. You know, I might order a bigger one, too. Now that I see it's okay. Oh, it's got plastic over this. Oh, this is coated in plastic, this whole thingy here. I don't know why. So that's what I got at Temu, my latest. This isn't too bad. It's okay, you know, it's an affiliate haul, so not out anything. And then I went to Ross today, a different Ross. The one I went to the other day was, oh, you know what? The other one I went to had these in black. I remember seeing it when I was like looking at them going, oh, these would be cool if they were clear. Let me get this up here. This is just, this one isn't acrylic, it's crystal. But this is only $20. They had one that was faceted, but I don't want facets, I want it plain. And so it says it is glass crystal, made in China, for $20. That's not too bad. So, oh, here's the, I kind of like it. And I think it'll look good with my CB2 and my Walmart one. If you put light behind these, they look better. So I have lights on the mantle. Yeah, I have lights. I have a light underneath the snowman over there. You can't see him. That's okay. Anyway, that's my haul. And that's what I got. Oh, Victor bailed on us. Gee whiz. Okay, Victor. I see you. Points off. He's tired, yeah.
Of the BS.
Yeah, is he? Is he really? Aren't we all? Aren't we all? Anyway, what time is it? Oh, I don't know. Let me check my Rolex. Okay.
Podagar.
Yeah, Podagar.
Maybe you didn't catch the name.
Catch the name.
Podagar.
Podagar. Oh, see, everyone's excited. So, we will be seeing you later. Say goodbye, Mr. Retros.
Bye.